Nama saya Iqbal. Welcome to my channel. Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Abu Bakar. Today I will to show you guys how to use step-by-step hand sanitizer. So, the first you must know what is hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is cleansing agent. Nowadays, hand sanitizer is very important to use. This is because, as we know, the world country was attacked by the COVID-19 outbreak. Therefore, the use of hand sanitizer is essential to kill bacteria to prevent the spread of COVID-19 from spreading. A good hand sanitizer is between 60 and 90% alcohol content. So, let's look at the right step in using a hand sanitizer. So, let's go.